everyone. I've been talking to some people in the class about templates, and I know you've had a lot of questions on how to do it. So I thought I would put together a quick tutorial for you. I really hope that this is working. All right, so I'm in Photoshop. I have it through the Creative Cloud, and I got this template through Squidoo. And I'm going to create a quick little ad for my First Communion, just letting people know I'm doing First Communion photos. So here's my template, and then I already picked my 3 photos that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to get started and show you, okay? So here's the first photo. I'm going to do Command A, I'm working on my Mac, and then Command C, and then I'm going to go back to my template, and I'm going to click this movement thing and Command V. I'm going to paste it in, and then I come over here on the right and I'm going to make sure that my picture is over the picture mask of the space that I want it to be in, which it is, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to click Create Clipping Mask, and it's going to put it into this box. Now obviously it's too big, so I'm going to hit Command T for the toolbar, and then holding Shift so that my image doesn't change shape, I'm going to just size it to how I want it to be. And then I just move it around till I have it in this space. Okay, and return. Then I go to my next picture, and I'm going to use this one, Command A, Command C, go back. I'm going to put that one here, Command V, to paste it in, and then I come back over to the right, and I'm going to create this clipping mask. And then I'm going to move this over. Obviously it's too big, so Command T, hold down Shift, and resize. Let's see, I want to make that smaller. So I can just keep resizing till it works. Just put it in there. Return. And then my let's see, last picture, Command A, Command C, click there, Command V, and then I'm going to create that clipping mask, Command T, Shift, resize, and move. Cute little Olivia. Okay, so there we go. Let's try to get all of her in there. Enter. Now I need to change my text. Now this is a template for something else, and this is word art. So I'm just going to go over here and find the layer where it has that word art, and I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so there it is, and I'm going to move it down to the trash can. And I like the little floral things, so those are cool. I'll leave those in. Now I'm going to create a new layer. So I click that, and it's going to be a text layer. And I'm just going to click here, and I'm going to put now booking First Communion photo sessions. I'll move it over in a minute. Let's see, let's make 125 for a 45-minute session, 5 fully edited digital files, 1 8x10. I know I'm going to regret that, but print. And then I want to put just small down here. I'll change the font size. Option to purchase full gallery for $100. Then I'll put an action item in there. Call now to book your session. And I will put Bonnie 714-767-2135. Now you all have my cell phone number. You can text me if you have questions. All right, so now I'm going to move this over and just kind of get it looking how I want it to look. So let's see, I'm going to have to click on that text. I'm still getting used to my new computer. Let's just raise up some of this text size. Come on. There we go. And then let's make these. Let's see, 24. And then I want this one. I guess that size is okay. I'll make it 16. It's however you guys want it to look, obviously. 24. And then I kind of wanted to change my font here. Let's see, this one that enter. Ah! I don't know what I just did. Command Z, there we go. Okay. And then obviously down here, I've got to change this because that's not me. So short and, whoops. And sweet. Okay. And then the font I like to use for that is Haiku. Ah, here it is. And I have to make that one nice and big because it's so little. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Now let's just get things somewhat into place. Oh, come on. Doesn't want to cooperate. Okay, well, I just saw a problem too. Let's see. Oh, I guess I did grab onto it. Okay. There we go. Let's change. Let's make this a little bit bigger, I think. Okay. I just noticed that Olivia, I need to move her over. There's a little bit of gray, I don't know if you can see, along the side of her, so I'm just gonna nudge her over. Okay, here we go. And now, probably play with this, make the text a little bit bigger or whatever, but you see the general idea of how to do this. So I'm just gonna File, Save As, and I always save both the Photoshop file and a JPEG. So let's see, where is it wanting to put it? Okay, this works. So I'm just gonna do my first, I'm still in caps lock. First Union, add, Photoshop file, save. That way I can go back and adjust it if I need to. And then I'll also do it as a JPEG. And there you have it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope I helped. Bye-bye.